Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have our monthly Boxycharm unboxing. Got the base, got the premium, and I'm just gonna hop right in. I have Connor. She's already jabbed at my face once. She's just has attitudes lately. Like, she's really a big bee. Really, honestly, a big bee. So let's get on into this Boxycharm. It says express yourself for Pride Month, and we are going to start off with the Violet Voss Sunskit Sunkissed Summer Eyeshadow and Pressed Pigment Palette. It is a new launch. It's $37. It is the packaging right there in all of its glory. Going to open it up and see what the colors look like, because I have no idea. Never opened it. So, and it is a pretty neutral palette. Oops. Right in there. That's actually not too bad. Looks really nice. I like it. Alright, next we have Volition Beauty Turmeric Brightening Polish. It's $38. Indulgent polishing scrub. It says powered by turmeric to visibly brighten skin and reveal a natural looking glow. Where are we at here? Is this it? Yes. This is the packaging. I don't know how good you guys can see it. I really need to stop being lazy and set up my filming setup better, where I used to put the light behind the camera, and I've just been too lazy to pull out two tripods, and so I've just been putting the camera on the one with the light. Connor's still stuck in my shirt. And that is it right there. It looks like basically just a face scrub. So it says gently massage onto wet skin and leave on for 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Apply to face and body once a week. Okay. Nifty. Guess I could give that a try. Can't hurt, I mean, it's turmeric. Turmeric's good for your whole inside and out of your body. Next, we have Dry Bar Liquid Glass Miracle Smoothing Sealant. It is a heat-activated technology, wraps an invisible shield around each hair strand and provides frizz resistance. So, leaves a super glossy, silky finish without weighing hair down. Lasts through 3 washes. It's $34. So, that is this right here. The light blue bottle. Don't know if you guys can see very well. I mean, it smells good. I don't like sprays. I like serums, like, for the hair, not like liquids, because I hate spraying this stuff all over and then it gets everywhere, and I don't want it to get everywhere. So anyway, moving on. Kismet Polished Lip Plumping Gloss, and this is that, and it is $18, and it's brand new to Boxy. A sweet and soft as a baby, this lip gloss offers up the ideal pinky nude pout. It's a pinky nude. So we're going to go take a look. Alright, so anyway, this is what the packaging looked like, and this is what the bottle looks like, and it's really pretty. So let's take a quick look and see what the color looks like on the skin. That is pink. It is pretty. It is pretty. It is pretty. Hope you guys can really see it really well. There, it is shiny. Thank God it's a pretty color. And it's not a dark color. They've been sending me dark colors of things. Well, hello. I said I want nudes. I didn't say I wanted berries and reds and stuff. I want nudes. Anyway. Ugh. Moving on to the last thing in the box. It's Moonlit by Michaela. And it is talk, smirk, laugh, grin. Your lovely lips communicate so much every day. Why not your sense of style as well? This is $18. Says Loom number 49 Core. I guess that is the shade color. because I really can't even see. Like, seriously, how am I supposed to read? I don't know if you guys can see. Like, how am I supposed to read that? Like, for real. But this pretty packaging. Alright, let's open it up and take a swatcheroo. Oh, even that's so pretty. Like, oh, it's so pretty. I don't know. Packaging's cute. It's a red. It is a red. I don't know if you guys can tell. It is a red though. So I don't get nudes in lip, what do you call these things? Lip liners either. That's it for the base box. Only a couple things I'm really into in that box, but whatever. Next, same thing, Express Yourself. And this is the premium box we got. We're going to start off with Lorac Pro Palette Artist Edition. What's that say? Marac 1? Whatever. $45. And this, it says Miracumer. That's not what that says on here. But whatever. Anyway, let's open this up. This is the packaging right there. I actually really don't have to open it up. Those are the shades that are in this packaging. I don't feel like opening up. I'm tired of opening up packages. So that is it there. Will you come on and get out of there? Alright, like I said, $45. Patrick Ta Beauty Major Volume Mascara. Okay, this would be great and all if it was waterproof. Like I say in every single video that I get a mascara, I tell them not to really send me mascaras, but, you know, they don't listen. But, you know, this is just in the shade black. It's pretty packaging. I'll even open it up so you guys can see what that looks like. I'm sure you all have seen it by now. And it is a pretty, and it's pretty hefty. But because it's not waterproof, probably won't use it. $29 for that. And it's brand new to Boxy. Dominique Cosmetics Silk Tone Cream Blush. It is another thing I don't use. I don't use cream blushes. So this is the packaging. This is $22. I'm going to open it up. You're getting on my nerves, man. And this is called Soft Pink. Packaging. And that's what the packaging looks like. Open it up. That is a very pretty color. Let's see if there's pigment. And it does leave a little pinky hue. I don't know if you can see it right here. Right there. Okay, that's pretty. I'll have to give it a try. Because it really actually does seem like it kind of goes down to a powder. So the only thing I'm afraid of cream blushes is the fact that I don't want it to be oily all over my face. Yes, after this video, you are going downstairs. Don't you worry, ma'am. Alright. Next, Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Serum. I don't know why, but I feel I've gotten this before in a box. Like, for real. I think I did. I keep getting dupes a lot in Boxycharm. Yes, I actually own this already from them, and I already know what this smells like, and it is fantastic on the skin. I love Glow Recipe stuff too. Like, I really do. It's very hydrating. It is $42 for that little thing there. And we have Sandbar Beauty Shadow Light Eyeshadow Primer. $28, and it's brand new to Boxycharm. Packaging right there. I don't use eyeshadow primer, and it looks white, and it is. It's like a white base. Like, seriously, I'm probably never going to use this at all. Next, we have Shadow Moon Reusable Eyeshadow Shields. Definitely will not be using these. I can care less about having eyeshadow shields on my face. It says, this is a silicone reusable shadow shield for fast and flawless eye makeup application. It catches eyeshadow fallout and creates a straight edge for eyeshadow and winged eyeliner. Okay. Well, I don't use winged eyeliner. If I do eyeliner, it's just like corner to corner, so I don't have to worry about that. And if you don't want fallout, put your eyeshadow on first before you do your face. That's will never be used by me either. That's $15, and it is new to Boxycharm. So that is it that I have for these Boxycharm boxes. I am not happy really too much about what was in them. I don't mind a couple of the makeup products, but as far as everything else, I really could have done without. I do enjoy Glow Recipes, so I'm happy to have that. The hair stuff I can do without. There's quite a few things in there that I will probably never use and was a waste of getting, and could have used something else instead. She's being bad, that's why she's over here, because she is biting and pinching my chest and it's hurting. She's just being really ornery. Yeah, you. And she just wants to jab at me. Don't know why. What? Connor, stop. And now she's getting her scratchy, so now she's happy. So I'm just going to end the video here. If you guys like this video, give it a thumb up. Comment down below anything what you got in your Boxycharm. If you like anything that I received in my Boxycharm, if you actually already own it. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And until I see you all again, have a great day. Thanks. Bye. Say bye. Bye. Not pinching me. Bye.